I don't know if you can hear Patchy Face snore. Look at the beast. He's snoring. I'm going to try to get close up on him without waking him up. English Bulldog Pup. He's about 8 weeks old. He was born August the 14th, 2018. Let's see if we can get him snoring. I've been hammering. I've been cleaning. I've been wiping down pictures with vinegar and dropping things. He slept straight through it. Let's see if we can catch him snoring. Okay, YouTubers. Here we go. He been watching Love and Hip Hop. He been watching Love and Hip Hop while I clean. Fell asleep right in front of the TV on his blanket. Hey, Patchy Face. Good quality, genuine, lovely sleep. Patchy Face! This is what you do when you've been binging on Love and Hip Hop all night.